Osiyo, it's how we say hello in Cherokee. This show is the first of its kind. We'll take you on a journey through Cherokee country and bring you the personal stories of the people who shape our nation. Two aspiring Cherokee ballerinas take the trip of a lifetime to train alongside Russian ballet masters in New York City.
All my life, I never thought I'd go very far from Oklahoma. So to come here to New York is amazing. It's so cool, and I've had so much fun.
And teaching Cherokee history and culture at Dilligwa, the Cherokee Nation's living museum.
It gives people exposure, and it teaches people that Cherokees are real. We're still here. We're not a gone or lost people.
And renowned Cherokee artists Bill and Demas Glass tell us what inspires them to take risks and move Cherokee art forward.
There's not many people really combining ceramics and steel. I feel like that's an evolution that's pretty interesting.
I'm Jennifer Lauren. Join me and discover the untold stories of the Cherokee people.